Good morning. Good morning. Dude, that's beautiful right there. That was so nice. We got up in like less than 10 minutes. Little to no effort. We're trekking down this way and we're gonna do some work. All right, I believe a little farther down on the trail. Somebody in the comments the other day asked me if I'm gonna get the EvoSid cranks for my hardtail, and I probably won't, at least not anytime soon, for two reasons. The first one is that these cranks are still good. They're still working properly. There's no issues with them. The thing with my full suspension was that the cranks weren't working, so I needed new cranks. And the second thing is that I wanna give the EvoSid cranks more runtime. I really want to put them through the ringer. I want to get more rides in, so probably won't be till like a few months till I actually make the swap. But yeah, these are still good. I don't think I'm gonna swap them anytime soon. The only thing I would like is a shorter crank arm, the 165, but like I said, they're working fine, so I'm gonna leave it as is.
Let me see if it's got oil in it.
All right.
Just get rid of it.
So basically from like this area down, right?
Yeah.
I got you.
You're good right there. That's good.
Yeah?
That's good.
All right, handles, man. Have
You're all
fun.
good. Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no worries. Have fun. Good morning. Yeah, you as well.
Is there any more?
There's like 4 more down there. The idea is to cut as much as I can so that we don't have to trim as often. This is my first time like actually using a chainsaw, and I'm impressed. Usually to cut trees and stuff I use a handsaw or a sawzall. That's why I never felt the need to buy a chainsaw, but I'm liking how this thing cuts and how it just feels. It's 12-inch Dewalt. That's stuck. I can't wait to see this place done. This top piece is already looking so good. Very spiffy. Got the cone and the saw. Beautiful day, huh? Thank you, no worries. There was a bee that got real close to me. So I don't want to be too close to their home. Maybe that's their way of saying get out of the way. Check it out. Beautiful. That's a wrap. Dude, it is gorgeous out today. That was a good workout, good company, just a good crew overall. I am freaking exhausted. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. And what I did this morning didn't make me have any more energy. But it was fun, it was good. I feel like not only do you get to work and get the trail dialed, but you also get a nice little workout while doing so. MTB Alliance and Sway for the last like 4 weekends have been working on that trail. It's super long, so it's in need of a lot of maintenance, but it's getting there. I think they're more than halfway done with it. So from what they tell me, they think it'll take like one more weekend to get everything, you know, trimmed and up to par. Dude, I don't even know if coffee will help me with this tiredness. I feel like I just need a nap, you know, because it's not like a tired where I just need a little boost. It's like tired to where I'm exhausted. I don't even know if that makes any sense, but it's probably the sleepiness in me talking. I did want to bring up the fact that I did a podcast with a gentleman named Robert from Biker Bar. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it in the link down below. It was like a 2-hour podcast. We were just chopping it up, talking about bikes. He was asking me a few questions, and it was a good time. He's up in NorCal, Northern California. So we're in complete opposite parts of our state, but in the same state. Digging season is like pretty much upon us, and I want to learn more about digging and how to dig, and I think I will do that by hanging out with MTB Alliance and Sway and picking their brains. I've said it before, I'm not much of a digger, like in regards to building trails and features. I'm more of a maintenance guy, but I do want to learn how to build, how to get things dialed, and just understand it a little better. And usually during the summertime, they're not as active, you know, because it's so hot and there's not much rain, so there's little to be worked on. But as it gets cooler, pretty much every weekend, if not every other weekend, they're getting after it or they're doing something. So I'm looking forward to some good sessions, some good dig sessions. That is gonna wrap up this little adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.